everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how to make til ki chutney. We will roast the sesame seeds and dried red chili. We will put ginger, garlic and little bit salt. Now we will add mint leaves. Now we will grind it. Now after the grind we will add coriander leaves also. Add little bit of water also. I already add little bit, okay, you can see. Now we will add one tomato, okay, roast tomato. Now we will roast one big tomato. If you have big tomato you can use that. I have small tomatoes, so I have chopped the roasted tomatoes. Add it to the chutney and grind again. Now chutney is ready and you can see the consistency. This one, amazing. After that I can add this lemon, so it enhances the taste, okay. Squeeze the lemon and then you mix it, so it enhances the taste. Guys, seeds bhi chale gaye hain lemon ke, which we don't want to add, but still it, तो कोई बात नहीं, पहले थोड़ा ही डाल के देखते हैं, है ना, कि how is it taste good or not, okay. Then you can add more.